Hi there, thank you for signing up a ReadySpace Cloud Console account. And we are really excited for you to be on board. And right now in this video, I'm going to share with you and walk you through our ReadySpace Cloud Console. And once you get familiar with it, you will find it a fantastic cloud platform that you can make use of to grow your business. Right, so let me show it to you right now. Now here you go. The first thing, before you are able to access the ReadySpace Cloud Console, you have to find the login page. The login page is available at every of our website, okay? But at the end of the URL, you can click or type login, or you can simply navigate to our top menu bar where you can see login. If you do not already have a login username and password, you can sign up an account with us. On the top right hand corner, you can see sign up now. So assuming right now you already have a username and password, what you need to do is to key in your email address and your password and click on login now. Once you have logged in, you will be redirected to ReadySpace Cloud Console. And this is how the dashboard will look like. The first thing that you will need to know is to be able to get support from our team. So how do you get support? Navigate to your top right hand corner, you will see your name, click on it, and you will find a support button over here. Click on support, and you will then see a knowledge base. You can read through the knowledge base before submitting a support ticket, or you can directly click on create new over here. Once you click on create new, you will then redirect it to various departments. For tech support, click on tech support. And there, you can then create by entering a subject. And then while you type your message, you will see that there might be already a knowledge base available for your situation. If you have found the item or the situation that you are in now, and there's a knowledge base, you can click on the knowledge base and directly read the how-to manual or the documentation itself. And over here at the bottom is an important part. Always find out and click on the subscription that you have with us, so that we are able to quickly directly go into the subscription to support and help with your inquiry. And if there's another ticket that's related to this issue, you can choose related ticket. Right now over here, an important part, this is an encrypted area whereby you can type in your password or any sensitive information, and it will be encrypted and received by our support team. This will be a very important security functionality that you will need to know. Over here is where you can attach any files for our support team for references. For example, screenshots or any PowerPoint or documents that you would like to share with them. Submit it, our support team will respond to you very quickly. Next, over at the top menu bar, you will also see news and alerts. Okay, and these news and alerts are important because we will be sharing with you latest updates and even information on maintenance or any security vulnerability that you need to take note of. And then, of course, if you need to have more services, you can click on order, and then you can start surfing around and looking through the products and services that we have. The most popular service that we are offering to our customers is our workspace service. And we also have our bestseller cloud service, where we have it in different locations. Now, for those services that you have already purchased, you can access to them on the left side, where you will see all the services that you have purchased. Whether it's a cloud server, an email service, a domain name, or DNS service, and others. Click on domain names and you will see a list of domains that you have already purchased before. Next thing that is very important is about your contacts. Our system allows you to add on your colleagues into the system so that you can allow them to access if they require. So take for example, if you have somebody else who is taking care of the billing, like payments or retrieving invoices, like your accountant, you can actually create a billing contact over here. By clicking add new contact, you can then include your colleague's email address, create a password for them, put in their names, and then their address, and so on and so forth. Once you click submit, you will then have the ability to add them as a billing contact. You can also add another contact if you have multiple subscriptions. For example, if you have 2 servers or 3 or even more, you can allow this person or this contact to be able to just just submit support ticket or only access that particular service. As you can see over here, you can click on workspace, alright, and workspace will be available to the contact that you have just added. Our system is a full management system. You can manage your billing, and not just that, you can also manage your affiliates. Now, this is an affiliate program that we have that we welcome you to join. If you know anyone that you would like to recommend our services to, you can recommend to them by giving them an affiliate link. And when they click on your link to make an order, you will then gain commission depending on the products. For more information, you can click on at the left bottom of this page, and you can see affiliate program terms and conditions. Read the affiliate program's terms and conditions to understand more. Other than this, we also have security, whereby you can specify SSH keys to access to the servers that you have purchased, or you can actually list down the IP addresses that you would like to limit to access to your account. Now, we also have history of whatever that is being happening in your account itself, so that you can troubleshoot or you can identify issue whenever there are any, and also logs, emails, notifications are all being listed down in the ReadySpace Cloud Console. Try out all the functionalities that are available and explore them and discover things that you can do. There are also other functionalities at the left, and one of the more important segments in ReadySpace Cloud Console is our community. We have Academy, whereby you can click on it and then to join our Academy, to join courses. Okay, we offer courses within our ReadySpace Academy. And then we have Discourse, is a community forum whereby you can ask questions that are out of our support scope. So remember, if you have questions that are out of our ReadySpace official support scope, you can go to our community to ask fellow users on how they overcome certain issues, or what are the best practices that they have used for their businesses. We also have Telegram channel, whereby you can actually join and receive latest notification from our product team. Finally, if you are savvy enough, you can make use of our API. Our API is running on standard REST API and is being presented to you using JSON format. So, what does that mean? It means that you can actually do up your own script and create automation, log into your control panel and control services, pay your bills, submit support ticket, get information of your services like domains, get information of your SSL cert services, and so on and so forth. Or even create and modify DNS through API. I hope that you have gained good information about how to navigate through our ReadySpace Cloud Console. There are simply so many things that can be done, but this is just the start. Once again, I welcome you on board on ReadySpace Cloud Console, and I look forward to serve you.